Got my knife.
Hi, it's me. It's a knife and a unopened ThreadUP box. For those of you who don't know, ThreadUP is a company that's you can buy and sell used clothes. I've sent them a ton of bags before. I've never gotten clothes from them, and I've never done a box like this. And so this box was $10, like a deposit. Maybe I should stop waving this knife around. So for this box, it was a $10 deposit, and I already had money on my account from selling clothes, so I was like, oh, this is risk-free, and they have a stylist pick out clothes for you. So what I told the stylist was that I work from home, this is what I normally wear, and I just don't want to look like a monster when I'm walking my dog or running errands, but it doesn't make sense for me to fully dress up on days when I'm working from home. And so that was kind of the guidelines I gave them. I said I wanted to be cozy, but I wanted to look put together. So I'm excited for this. Let's see what they sent. I have been not opening this because I wanted this to be a real unboxing. So this is really exciting. Okay, so this looks cute so far. So it's showing the prices of everything, which is kind of cool. It's showing like the retail and then what the price is. So a little like spoiler of what's inside. And it says if I choose to keep $75 worth of items, I get $10 free to shop with. Okay. All right, my first impression is I'm seeing a lot of button-up things. Okay, what's this? Mark, New York. So this is like a Marc Jacobs top. This is pretty cute. I like the color. It feels like kind of like whooshy or soft. It's a soft fabric. I am curious to see what this one looks like. I like that it's a Marc Jacobs shirt that's like very bougie. Originally $143, and to me it'd be $31 for this Marc Jacobs top. Curious to see what it looks like on. It looks a little short, but maybe when I try it on, it will look better. I love Marc Jacobs. I love the color pink. It just did not work with my chest with the buttons right there. The little hangy down things like could cover it, but also I'd have to safety pin the shirt. It's way too much effort for working from home. So, meh. Next we have pins and needles. Not sure what that is. Oh, this looks cute. Okay, this is definitely my style. It's like a little dress with pockets. It looks very cozy, very cute. It has like little bows on it. If this fits right, this is definitely something I want to keep. So fingers crossed it fits cute. This dress was exactly what I was looking for. It just doesn't fit. I wanted something like this that was like cozy fabric, had pockets, could wear around the house. It just does not look right on my body, sadly. Womp womp. All right, this next little guy. Ooh, this is interesting. This is definitely the type of fabric, something I would more wear to when I was working at like an office or going to do events with students. I kind of like it. The brand is HD in Paris, whatever that is. I kind of like this blocking. So yes, maybe it's a little more fancy than I probably wouldn't just sit around in my house in this dress. Just if you could see the material, the fabric is like very like work clothes. It feels like work clothes. So this is definitely a maybe, but we'll see. I just feel so maybe about this. And I usually only buy clothes if it's like 100% yes. I feel like this is like flattering with the dark back, but it's just such a weird fabric. I don't feel like I have anything to wear it to. Okay, what is this? Ooh, a Tory Burch. What is it? Fancy kind of, but casual, loose Tory Burch top. And it looks like it has like a cool neck thing. So this will be definitely a try on to see what it looks like. Would normally be $250, and it's $46 for this top, which is kind of a plain black top. So it does have the cute like logo, but I don't know. That seems a lot. Oh, it's 100% silk. I guess I don't own anything 100% silk. Okay, this is a maybe. If it looks really cute, I'll keep it. All right, so the things this shirt is doing for me is I love that it's a bougie Tory Burch brand. I love that there's the little logo on the buttons, and I love that it's silk. It's super soft. I don't know how realistic silk is or how hard it is to care for. I'll need to look it up. I also don't know what I'm supposed to do with these ties. Am I supposed to make it look like I'm like a businessman wearing a bow tie? Do I tie it in a bow? What do I do? If anyone knows what you're supposed to do with these little ties, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to look ridiculous, but I do like this shirt. It is super fancy, but I feel like it would be worth it just because I kind of want to have something high-end at the end of this ordeal. This is a Kate Spade shirt. It looks awkward. I want to like it. I do like Kate Spade. It looks pretty, I don't know. I don't know why they're sending me all of these like sleeveless shirts, maybe because it's summer. But it's a lot of it is really like formal kind of fancy material, so I don't know if they got my I want to be cozy, I work from home, look at me in my t-shirt memo. I feel like such a space goddess with the shoulders, but this doesn't fit with my chest and the buttons like are spreading. So okay, I see something weird. It's definitely like velvet. What in the world? So this is actually, I was kind of scared of it. It's really, really heavy, but this is like, I don't know. I kind of would like it in the winter, obviously. It smells like the rest of the clothes feel new. This smells old, and it's really, really thick. So I don't know. I wonder how much this is. Is retail $340 and $63 to me, and for it to smell like musty, I'm guessing it's gonna be a no, but we can see. I had high hopes for this dress. I was like, oh, this could be a cute going out in the dead of winter type of outfit. It was super heavy fabric and it did not fit. It said on the thing that it was a size large, but then when I looked in the tag, it said it was a size 3. And so 3 is a junior size, and it's definitely not even close to a large. My goal, since I am $10 in on this, I just want to find one thing I really, really love, and I will be happy. So we will keep going here. What is this? This is like a label with the return address and the shipping things for when I send the box back. So this shirt is new with tags, and it's TJD. This I could actually be into. I like the fabric. It's flowy and it's sheer. It's like you tie it up. This could be cute with leggings possibly. $143 retail, $31.99 through them. This one, since it's brand new, I could justify it, but still, this is so much more expensive than actually thrifting. And also, I feel like they didn't get the work from home thing. I think they're just sending me work clothes, so maybe they didn't see that part of it. Oh, hey, it's me. Carrie Bradshawing with some see-through shirt, bright blue bra, realness on the internet here. This shirt, you'll see in a second here, the buttons don't work on this one either. This one I feel like has some hope, like I could dress it up, dress it down. It also doesn't really match my, hey, I'm working from home, I want to be cozy yet presentable to run errands. Like it just doesn't fit right. Like, look how low the seams are on the shoulders. Like, help. But we still have some items left. You never know. Okay, this is pretty cute. Okay, so this is like a skirt. I'd have to see it on, but I kind of like the detail in it. It's like skeleton detail, and like kind of wavy on the bottom. Skirt's $228 retail, for me $27.99. So this actually looks like something I would wear like out and about. I'm also short though, so I'm worried because it might make my legs look too short. So we will see what this looks like on. Oh, hey, what up? It's me, your goth girlfriend, giving you that Sabrina the Teenage Witch feelings. I actually kind of like this skirt. I would wear it not with a black shirt probably, but I kind of like it. Ooh, jeans. Okay. These are some Banana Republic jeans. They look fairly nice. Ooh, they do have like that I don't like. That like old, so I'm most likely not gonna like them unless they make my butt look amazing. But I don't like that thing on jeans. So we'll see. $98 retail, $30.99 for me. The fade on these kill me, but we'll see. We'll see. You never know. I'm open-minded. I would wear these jeans like if I worked on a farm and it was laundry day, and like that's why I had to wear these jeans. But otherwise, these are very not flattering. Nope. And here is our last thing in here, a pair of jeans, J brand jeans. These ones look way smaller than the other ones. I could handle it. They do have that thing on them still, but they're like skinny jeans, skinny just distressed jeans. So let's see. These jeans and those Banana Republic jeans are literally the same size, but these ones are toddler size. So I could barely get my thigh in them. Thumbs down for smallness. So honestly, I'm pretty disappointed. I feel like I could have picked out better stuff just on the website. They have cute stuff. I also don't feel like when I said, hey, I work from home, I want this, this, and this, I don't think that was taken into consideration. If I went to a thrift store and I was going to be spending, the cheapest thing was $21, which was that dress with the bows on it. I would not spend $21 on that. For stuff that I just feel very meh about, I wouldn't spend this type of money on it. I feel like I don't own anything silk, so maybe the silk shirt, but that is $46. So as much as I want a silk shirt, I cannot justify, and then with my $10, it's $36. And I even have credit, so it would technically be free. I really, really wanted to like this, and I thought this was going to be a game changer and that I was going to just like do ThreadUp unboxing all the time, but I don't feel like this was worth the money. I love that they take your clothes. I love that they're helping to reduce clothes waste, and I'm all about buying secondhand clothes. I just don't think whatever they're doing to match stylists to people, I'm not sure if it's more automated than we think. Maybe they just saw work and it wasn't like someone saying, oh, it's a work from home person, or this is what she's actually looking for. I don't know if they really read what I was asking for. This was definitely a risk, and it was fun to do the unboxing, but my room really does, it smells like musty.
And a cute little random